everyone, Mona Lisa Duraso here, and welcome to my channel. Here, Manik. In today's vlog, I'm going to share what I learned in Introduction to ICT and its relevance in society. So guys, this introduction to ICT highlighted its evolution from early telecommunication to the sophisticated, interconnected technologies of today. I learned how ICT scope extends far beyond computers, encompassing a vast array of applications that are transforming education, business, healthcare, and daily life, while the benefits are immense from online learning and entertainment. The introduction also understands the critical challenges we face, including bridging the digital divide, ensuring cybersecurity, and protecting data privacy. The overall takeaway is that ICT is a powerful, transformative force with both immense potential and significant responsibility.